Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Stripe Corporate Card Review, my usage experience. Stripe Corporate Card Review, my usage experience offers a way for businesses to manage and analyze their corporate card spending via Stripe. It's targeted towards businesses using Stripe's payment processing services, providing a centralized view of their expenses for better budgeting and financial oversight. Key features likely include expense categorization, reporting, and potentially integration with accounting software. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing. A major benefit is the seamless integration with the existing Stripe ecosystem. They claim ease of use and transparent pricing, though specific details require checking their website. Availability is tied to existing Stripe accounts. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Stripe Corporate Card Review, my usage experience. Getting started was a breeze. It automatically linked to my existing Stripe account, so there was no lengthy setup process. The interface is clean and intuitive. I found navigating to expense reports and filtering by category incredibly easy. I was particularly impressed by the visual dashboards showing spending trends over time. It made identifying areas for potential savings much simpler. The reporting features were robust, allowing me to export detailed CSV files for our accounting team. The performance was consistently excellent. Generating reports was quick, even with several months' worth of transactions. I had a quick question about customizing a report, and their support responded within 24 hours via email. One minor drawback was the lack of mobile app access, requiring me to use a desktop or laptop. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Stripe Corporate Card Review. It streamlined our expense tracking significantly, and the time saved is invaluable. The standout feature for me was definitely the clear and insightful visualization tools. That's my overview of Stripe Corporate Card Review, my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.